In this video, I will share sector analysis and stock analysis for the next week, which is 4th to 8th October 2021. Hello, I am Sumit, intraday trader in Bank Nifty options with more than 4 years experience. I consistently earn 4% return every month after cost. So, we'll start with the sector analysis. The first sector is Pharma. This is the daily chart on TradingView app. As we can see here, it is forming, Pharma sector is forming bullish candles, green candles, and looks like it wants to break out of the previous high, which is this level. So it looks bullish, Pharma sector, for me. We will see the stocks of Pharma sector later. Moving on to the next sector, which is energy. As we can see here, energy sector is in momentum for the past 2 to 3 weeks. It is showing a good upside momentum. All the energy stocks are doing well, and it can do well this week also. Metal sector is consolidating and holding at the top. It is in the range. Once it breaks out of this range, we can see a further upside momentum. So if we go on to the next, auto sector, again a good momentum, made a bottom here, again a support at this level, 10,000 level, and it went up, and it is now hovering around the previous high, which is this. So it can consolidate a bit here before making a fresh up move. So this was the auto sector. FMCG. Now FMCG is participating in the down move. Not all the sectors are participating. The last week was a downtrend week for Nifty, and FMCG was a big participant, as you can see here. But right now it can consolidate around this level, so not much we can see here. Moving on to the next one, which is banks. As we can see here, green candles, red candles, it's a mix. Overall it's uptrend. It is consolidating here at the top. We'll have to see, consolidation can be seen in the next week also. If you see the IT sector also participated in the downtrend. FMCG and IT participated here for the last week in the downtrend. It has a support around this level, so it can consolidate before making a fresh up move, IT sector. And the last one is finance. Just like banks, it also participated in the down move here. It has a support around this level, 18,000. It can do some sideways movement. So the good sectors which are looking bullish to me are the pharma, energy, and auto. So we'll see them one by one. Pharma, energy, and auto. So let's see the pharma stocks. If we go on to pharma sector, and as we can see here, first we'll see this Lupin. Okay, so a steep fall around this level, and then it took support around 920. Again it took support here, and now it is trying to move up. This candle is a strong green candle. Volume is not so high, but it looks like it wants to move towards this level. Stop loss can be around this level, so we can keep it on the watch list. Dr. Reddy, again almost similar pattern, but it looks more stronger than Lupin. So it took support around this level. This is also a good support, and now it is trying to move up. Once it closes above this level, 5,000, we can see up more towards 5,500. So pharma stocks looking good. Sun Pharma, it is in the uptrend. It has made a breakout and it is holding there. So this is the strongest of the pharma SPAC, and see here the flag and pole pattern. it broke out of this level and volume is also high, so this we can make some buying here with proper stop loss and proper risk management. So this is Sun Pharma. If I look onto Cadilla, it is taking support around 200 moving average and trying to close above 20 moving average, so it is also looking good. Volumes are not increasing. Once volumes also give confirmation, we can see further up movement towards 640. So if we move on to Cipla, again as we can see at the previous high, anytime it can give a breakout. See, the volume is also increasing, price at the top, it is a breakout candidate. Please keep it on the watch list. So pharma sector looking good. Now we'll move on to energy sector, power sector. Power stocks are doing well. Tata Power, as we can see, huge momentum, increase in volume, increase in price, and now one has to be careful if one wants to buy now, but momentum is still there. One has to be careful. If it corrects a bit, then we can think of that will be a good opportunity, but still here also we can think of buying with proper risk management. All the petrol stocks, all the gas stocks are doing well, like Coal India, as we can see at the top. Volumes are increasing, as we can see here, price is increasing. So Coal India, again a great story, at all-time high, volumes are increasing, so momentum is there. One can think of buying this stocks. So if we can see ONGC, same story. So the summary is that petrol stocks are doing well, power stocks are doing well, gas stocks are doing well. You can keep an eye on them. So moving on to the next one, auto. If we go on to the auto sector, Mahindra is doing well. It gave a breakout of the previous level and the volumes are also increasing, so you can keep it on the watch list or you can buy also. Batteries, Amar Raja battery, good momentum, can move towards this level. So Eicher Motors also doing well. It consolidated for the past week, but the volumes, as we can see here, green volumes are much bigger. It can take support around this level and again try to move up. So auto sector is also doing well. So these three sectors to keep an eye on this week: energy sector, auto sector and pharma sector. So do your analysis before investing or trading. Always risk less than 1% in any given trade. I share my exact levels of entry, stop loss and target on my Telegram channel before the market open. You can join our Telegram channel. I share my daily intraday stocks there. Link is in the description, and the details of the 1-year mentorship program is also in the description. Price you can see there. And if you want to learn price action trading, you can WhatsApp us on this number, below number. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe and share with your friends so that they can also learn trading, price action trading. So see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep trading and earn income from trading.